Okay, if anybody's watching this second video, I accidentally cut off the camera. This one will be much shorter. I'm standing basically at the entrance to the parking lot, or my parking lot. A few folks out and about, unfortunately for them. I'm going to come out here and show y'all what a street looks like. There's a guy plowing a sidewalk with an ATV. That's kind of cool. Alright, so this is what makes it hard to drive around here. Probably not visible. I don't know how much light the camera picks up, but this is icy slush. You can see some water splashing around. Actually, my boots are waterproof, but I want to get out of this. The danger is, obviously, it's at least on the pavement, it's not freezing, or else this would be frozen. But if it had gotten cold enough for this to freeze, and then we get some of the snow on top of it, you may think you're driving on snow, which is not in and of itself too bad as long as it's not too deep. But if you got a layer of ice underneath, it becomes a skating rink hidden from view, so that's dangerous. Cars, snow, cars, snow. Alright, this is monotonous and I'm kind of cold, so I'm going to go back in. Hope you had some interesting lessons for those of you not from snow country.